Up first this evening, a worrying development relating to suicides locally.
The Jamaica Constabulary Force is raising alarm about the sharp increase in the number of persons taking their own life.
The reasons behind the spike are still being examined, but there's renewed call for persons to use the various outlets when facing tough times.
According to the JCF, Jamaica has seen a notable increase in the numbers of suicides, with the majority of these tragic deaths being older men. The increase, it says, must raise serious concerns among health officials, families, and communities throughout the country. Pointing to recent data, the JCF notes there were 27 reported suicides between November and January, a significant increase compared to previous years. Of these, 23 were men, with the majority being over the age of 40. The JCF notes this with concern and is urging for greater attention to be paid to mental health and suicide prevention in Jamaica. Comparatively speaking, the month of January was noticeably higher, registering 14 reported suicides. This compares with 3 in 2022 and also in 2021, and only 1 suicide recorded in 2020. During the Yuletide period, which is often correlated with an increase in reporting of higher levels of mental ill health, the numbers were particularly concerning. December 2022 registered 10 suicides, as compared with 7 in 2021 and 3 in 2020. Of the 10 suicides in December 2022, half of them were men from the parish of St. Anne. However, among the 14 suicides registered in January 2023, St. Anne was the only parish where there was no registered suicide. To this end, the JCF is appealing for interventions at the subnational level that fall outside the realm of policing. In the meantime, the constabulary says the reasons for this increase in suicides are not yet fully understood. Yet some experts might suggest that the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic and its associated economic and social challenges may be contributing factors. The pandemic has brought unprecedented levels of stress and uncertainty to people's lives, and for older men in particular, the isolation and lack of support can be especially devastating.